This Pete Anderson Realty Incorporated property video is presented by David Jones. Move-in ready. Must see. Spectacular ocean and bay views from this one-of-kind Barview home. You can enjoy all the action on the bay, including Coast Guard maneuvers, storms rolling in, whale watching during migration season, from the comforts of your nicely furnished home. This quaint, adorable, small town offers plenty shops, eateries, grocery and convenient stores. The basement is ready for your finishing touches with. Great for full-time living or your fishing and relaxation getaway. For more information, review the details below or contact David Jones at 503-355-2532.